We're in Cairns to see a total solar eclipse. Tomorrow morning, the moon's going to pass directly between the Earth and the Sun, and that's going to block out all sunlight for about 2 minutes. Now, I've seen one of these once before when I was 6 years old. We had some people over. I remember it was in the afternoon, and that was 36 years ago, so I'm pretty excited to see another one. So what exactly is going to happen? Well, the moon orbits the Earth every month, and usually the moon passes sort of above or below the sun on its orbit, but occasionally everything lines up, and if you're in the right place at the right time, you get to see a total eclipse. And that's what's going to happen tomorrow here in Cairns. And so the sun and the moon appear to be the same size. Surely the sun's a lot bigger than the moon, and it is. The sun's about 400 times wider than the moon, but the sun's also 400 times further away, and they exactly cancel out, so the moon and the sun appear to be exactly the same size as viewed from the Earth. Now, that's the only place in the solar system where that happens. And if you are in the right place at the right time to see a solar eclipse, it's one of the most spectacular things you'll ever see. Well, the sun rose behind the headland about 5 minutes ago, and we should have just had first contact, so the moon's just starting to cover up the sun. We can't see it yet, but in about 15 minutes it should come above the headland there. I came down here to scope out the horizon about this time yesterday. There's a lot more people here today. I say about 50,000 people have come into town. Totality's in about 25 minutes. I'm still hoping that cloud will clear.
I woke up.
7 minutes away now. We're just hoping for that bit of cloud to move. We got cloud. About a minute and a half away now. I think the cloud might be just going to beat us. It's still pretty cool. Here we go. Wow.
Wow.
There you go. There's totality. If you ever doubted we live in a clockwork solar system where everything's completely predictable, you can predict things like this to within a few seconds over 100 years, and completely reliable, and although there's cloud in the way, it's totally spectacular. Well, everyone's sort of leaving now. The cloud just got us. Yeah, we didn't quite get to see the corona from around the moon, but it was still good. We had darkness for 2 minutes, and anyhow, I hope for a better one next time. We're going to Sydney in 2028 on the 22nd of July. That's a Saturday. We'll be there.